Typhoon is over. So I'm here now. It's only windy and the weather is good. Not so hot, but it's little bit windy. So hello. Good morning. Have a good Wednesday. And all of you be happy and enjoy the day. Bye-bye to the typhoon. And then, those sa mga nabaha, flooded, oh, I am sad to know about them that they are flooded too. Their houses are gone and all of their valuable mga gamit ba yun? Yeah. Sana makaraos na rin sila at hindi sana dadaan uli ang malakas na bagyo, pero ulan lang, wag lang bagyong malakas. Let's pray and God bless you all. Bye. Thank you for watching.